Hey guys, and welcome back. So you've probably seen a bunch of these on YouTube, people bragging about it. Well, today I'm gonna tell you guys the truth about the Aztec clay face mask. Before you purchase this, watch the rest of this video because you will be shocked. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like in the container. I'm gonna open it up and show you the color of it. And in the instruction, it says you can mix this with equal part of either with water or raw apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna do it with apple cider vinegar because apple cider vinegar is actually, there's so many good components for skin if you could tolerate that smell, and I think I can. So I'm gonna go with this option and let you guys know what it's gonna feel like. Do not use a metal bowl, it says. So I'm just gonna use ceramic bowl, and then I got some measuring and a spoon to stir it all up. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so another thing I forgot to mention, I wash my face really good with a gentle cleanser. So you do want to apply it onto a very clean face. So this is what the container is going to look like when you open it up. It looks just like powder, almost like baby powder. I don't even know how to describe it, but the color is kind of like light gray with a little bit of a green tone. So I'm going to do a half tablespoon of it just to demo it out. And it says equal part. I feel like I'm mixing like baby formula. Just like that. I wonder if that's enough. Maybe we'll do another half a tablespoon. So it'll be equal 1 tablespoon. Perfect, that should cover my face. Then we're gonna do the same equal part of apple cider vinegar. Whoa, that's a smell. So here's the raw apple cider vinegar. We're gonna put equal part. Wow, this is a very strong smell. Now I'm gonna mix this all up and get it into a really nice paste, and then we'll apply it onto my face. Apply on it. Be careful around the hair, because if you do get it on your hair, when it's time to wash it off, if it's hardened, sometimes it could pull your hair out. It comes on a really nice cooling. Also, it does help that I'm using a spoon. So I'm just being really generous with it, not too thick. Avoid the eye because our eyes are really, really sensitive. Also, it says to apply 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. It looks close enough to the face. If you have really sensitive skin, it says to only leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. If you have normal skin, 15 to 20 minutes. Most of the time my skin is very normal unless I'm breaking out, and I'm not breaking out right now, so I think I could leave it on a little bit longer. So we'll do 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so it took about 5 minutes and I could start to feel like it's slowly starting to harden. So far it's not uncomfortable yet, and it feels actually really darn good. I wasn't sure. Still a little wet, so I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes. One thing forgot to mention, you guys, I just got this blanket. I think it's called Sherpa blanket, which I don't even know how I came across it. Oh, I know why. Because I hate down comforter. It's just so heavy and I have to put a duvet on it. And then I came across this because there were so many good reviews on it. And this Sherpa blanket, I'm telling you, I go everywhere with this. I'm on the couch. I got it in a size king, and it's the most comfortable, luxurious blanket I've ever felt in my life. And the reason why I was looking into it is when I was in New York City, I was staying at this beautiful hotel, and they had like a throw like this at the end of the bed, and I was shocked at how luxurious it felt and how soft it was. So I took a picture of it and I'm like, I'm gonna find one so I can have one on my couch and have the same feeling. There was something about it, and now that I have it, I've been enjoying this for about 2 weeks now. It is so amazing. Like, it's so lightweight, but at the same time it holds in so much heat. So if you're gonna give yourself like a little spa day, grab one of these blankets, because I'm telling you, oh my god, I could literally die in this. And look at this color. How beautiful is this? And then on the inside, look, like it's like a baby. Even every time I squeeze it, it makes me think of like my little baby. So okay, you guys, so far it's looking good. It's starting to harden. So one thing I'm gonna tell you guys, because my husband actually demoed this a lot longer than I have. When it's time to clean it, it's really, really important that you have a bowl of warm water. Do not do this at your sink. Do not do it at your sink. Do it at a countertop, lay a towel out with a bowl of warm water. The reason why is when this clay gets into your pipe or your drain and it touches water again or it dries up, it can actually clog up your drain. So I highly, highly recommend use a table or a countertop, lay out a towel, warm bowl, and just lightly wipe it off, and then, grab whatever the residue is and throw it away. I try to just use a cloth, a paper towel, and wipe off first as much as I can. Dump that away so it's in the garbage can, and if there's a little bit left over, then I rinse off with some warm water and clean off the face. Do not just go to your drain and wash your face and let all this stuff go down, because you can actually clog up your drain and cause a lot of issue. FYI, we learned that the hard way. Okay, so it's fully hard now, and ooh, you guys, I'm actually really, really impressed. It's pretty darn good. It looks like, you guys, after about 15 minutes, it's starting to get harder to talk. It's really tightening, like it's hard for me to even move my face. One thing I noticed right away compared to when my husband demoed it, there's no pain besides when I'm moving my mouth. If I'm just sitting here and relaxing, it's actually very, very comfortable. Now with him, because he used water, I think, it was really tight and really hard. I don't even think he tolerated up to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna push it through all the way to 20 minutes. And then what I've already gotten ready, because I have 5 minutes before I have to remove it, I just got a plastic bowl. Do not use a metal bowl. Plastic bowl with warm water in here. And then I grab some paper towel. I'm gonna damp the paper towel, remove as much of that off first, throw that in the garbage can, and then anything left over, then we'll lightly rinse it. I do not wanna clog my drain again. So 23 minutes, it's starting to be really, really hard for me to move my lip. I don't even know if you guys can hear me clearly. So it's time to remove it. And what I'm gonna do is take a paper towel. I'm gonna dab it into that warm water that I already had earlier. And I'm gonna use that to just remove as much as I can first. It is really, really hard. See, it comes out in like chunks like that. I don't know if you can see it. So we're gonna try our best to just get it moist again so it comes off easy, because it does, ooh, it's hard. Then I'll go in with the paper towel. Yeah. For sure, you guys, the removing process really sucks. Ooh, my face is red. Now, it looks a lot more painful on camera. There's not a lot of pain, it just feels a little irritated from, this is where it got really, really tight. Anywhere area where it got super, super tight, you could tell like it's a little irritated. There we go. Okay, this method is a lot easier. Using your hand to remove as much of it as you can, and then going in with a paper towel or a light damp towel is gonna really help out. If you just rub that on, it's so hard to get it off, and you're gonna really, really irritate the skin. So I can't even imagine, like I use a lot of my own hands just to remove it off, and it's this red. Can you imagine if I was just rubbing cloth back and forth, how bad it would actually irritate. Okay, so now let's just wash. So I'm gonna let it breathe for a little bit. You can see on this side when I didn't do anything how even tone, red, red, red. But you know it's already coming down a lot. So I'm gonna go discard this, let my face breathe for a couple minutes, and then I'll show you guys if the redness and how long it takes for the redness to go away. Okay guys, so as you can see, even 20 minutes after, my face is still really red in some area. It's gone down a lot. One thing I did notice, even though I remove it off my face still feels really tight and dry, but the part where I had the mask, the face feels really soft, like almost like a baby skin compared to the side that I didn't do it. On my face right now is just some moisturizer, some eye cream, and I'm gonna go on with my day, and I'll kind of just check in every 30 minutes and kind of just write in my journal and see how long does it really take for the redness to go away. Also, how does it feel by the end of the night? So we're looking at about 8:30 in the morning right now. I'll start my day, And hopefully this redness honestly is gonna go away fast because I'm gonna go to work and they're gonna think I got hit by something. Oh my God. It doesn't hurt though, you guys. It just feels tight and dry. But I did notice one thing. Once I put the moisturizer on, it feels 10 times better. So stay tuned and I'll touch base with you guys at the end of the night. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna do my final review. It's about 11:30 at night right now. I just came out of the shower. What I have on my face right now is just a nighttime moisturizer. And I'm gonna tell you, the redness did really freak me out. I was kind of nervous if it was gonna even go away today. And once I got to work, so that was a total of 45 minutes, everything went right back to my natural skin. These redness that you see, that's already been there before, so I'm not really concerned about that. I didn't have any crazy allergies to it or allergic reaction. Again, 45 minutes, everything went back to normal. One thing I did notice though, that when I went into the shower today, is I like to take my shower really nice and hot, and my face that had the mask on was still a little sensitive to heat. But then when I came out and I rinsed my face off with some cold water, it felt amazing. The last part is that what I noticed from this face mask is that this side feel a lot more tight. The skin does feel a lot better to me compared to this side. I still feel a little bit of the tightness when I go like that, but when I did apply my moisturizer on, it just absorbed it really lovely. I think it was a really good face mask. Now, it's too soon to tell because it was my only first demo, and I'm gonna continue doing a couple more of this and just keep you guys posted on how is it like after a month, and did I get a lot of the things that I wanna resolve, like some of these lines, some of the discoloration. Will that balance itself out if I give this more time? So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I know it's a very, very long video. I just wanted to go really in depth on it. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. And if anybody out there have used it and got way better result, or you feel like there's different way of using it to make it better, please let us know, because I love to share and I would love to learn more from you guys also. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.